In our last video, we discussed about the soft skills and tools you need to develop a brand identity system from scratch. Today, we are going to discuss about the technical skills and tools you need to build your brand identity system from scratch. Technical skills are typically, related to working with technology and are often practical and require a lot of attention to detail. The first thing we will do is to map out the processes involved in a complete brand identity system. In this course, we will focus on three processes, which are the brand strategy section, the visual identity section, and the digital and print brand assets. The brand strategy section involves a thoughtful and strategic approach to defining the brand's identity, positioning, and communication strategies. The brand strategy sections requires technical skills like market and consumer research, data analysis and data visualization, and brand personnel development. So let us start with the market and consumer research. The combination of these help us to understand the current market position and how it improves your brand with the insights from this process. Some of the tools you can use for your market and consumer research are Google Form, Redditude, Our World in Data, Google Scholar, SurveyMonkey, USPTO website, SEMrush, and others. Redditude is a search engine that will help you to search a lot of Reddit posts and Reddit comments. You can also use Google Form and Qualtrics to survey and capture people's ideas. You can also use a lot of, research writings from Our World in Data, especially when you are looking for ready-made research on your branding project. You can also use Google Scholar. It's a database for, peer-reviewed academic papers and scholarly literatures. Another technical skill that we will talk about in the brand strategy process is the data analysis and data visualization. After a thorough brand, market, and consumer research, you might want to analyze your data and visually present the insight to your client. So most of the time, most clients will value and appreciate and understand your research better if you can show your findings visually. Some of the tools you can use for this process are Excel, Tableau, SPSS, and others. In this course, we will cover Excel, Tableau, and some videos frames on SPSS. Tableau is an easy to use and also a drag and drop used to create visuals. It can also help you to see and understand the data efficiently. The third technical skill from the brand strategy section is you developing the brand persona from the brand positioning. You will need tools like Figma, Asana, Miro. Figma for designing the visual appealing slide decks, presentation, Asana for project management and road mapping, and also Miro to map out strategic timelines and a kind of collaborative planning. The second section in the brand identity design process is the visual identity section. This is where you need technical skill like, basic graphic design skills and advanced graphic design skills. Let's talk about the basic graphic design skills. This is the ability to create simple visuals like maybe logo, shape, choose color, create manipulations with pictures and, designs, create patterns, create icons. You will need tools like Adobe Photoshop. You will need tools like Adobe Illustrator. You will need tools like Figma and maybe Lightroom for picture. Now let's talk about the advanced graphic design skill. These are often used to create a more specialized character and personality in the brand identity design system. You will need skills like illustration, typography, customization, layout design, packaging, animation and motion graphics, product mockups design. You will need tools like, FontLab, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustration, Figma, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition, and Blender to create an advanced graphic design skill. The third process in designing your brand identity system is building your digital and print brand assets. You will need to design the following, for example, the website for the brand, social media design most of the time, and setting up the social media pages, email signature, brand guidelines, brand pitch deck, app design, advertising design, event and corporate design, and a lot. For you to create this digital and print brand asset, you will need tools like Figma, Framer, WordPress, Photoshop, Adobe Illustration, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition, and also Blender. We will cover most of these skills in this course. We have a long way to go and much time to spend together on this course. If you have someone that needs this course badly, please share this channel and this video with them. Remember to hit the subscribe button, especially if this video is insightful and helpful. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.